शिक्षा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करें।
State Bank of India has released SBI PO application form and notification. This year, a total of 2,000 vacancies will be filled through this recruitment exam. The exam is conducted to select eligible candidates for the post of probationary officer. This is considered the most sought after banking exams in the country. Interested candidates can fill the application form online till December 4th. The application fee, which can be paid online, is Rs 750 for general, EWS and OBC category candidates, whereas SC, ST, PWD candidates are not required to pay the application fees. To fill the application form of SBI PO, you need to visit the official website. After visiting the official website, from Join SBI tab, go to the Current Openings section. After going to the Current Openings section, click the link Recruitment of Probationary Officers. From the drop-down, select the Apply Online link. To register for SBI PO 2020 exam, you need to click here for New Registration tab. In the registration page, you need to enter your first name, last name, mobile number, email ID and security code. After filling all these details, you need to click Save and Next button. After registration, your provisional registration number and password will be generated. In the next step, you need to upload your scanned photograph and signature as per the specifications given by SBI. In the next page, candidates need to fill the detailed application form of SBI PO. In the detailed application form, candidates need to enter their basic details such as category, number of attempts, PAN number, nationality, state code, center of examination for prelims and mains exam. In the personal details part, candidates need to enter their date of birth, gender, marital status, father's name, mother's name, address, and PIN code. After filling all these details, candidates should validate their details and click on the Save and Next button to proceed to the next page. In the next page, candidates need to enter their educational qualification and other details. The educational qualification of candidates will be calculated as on 31st December 2020. To the next page. Before final submission of the application form, candidates should preview the application and validate all the details carefully, as no changes will be allowed after final submission. Once you are done with checking all the details, confirm the declaration and submit the application form. In the next step, candidates need to pay the application fee. The application fee can be paid in online mode only. After successful fee payment, candidates will receive transaction acknowledgement slip. Candidates are advised to keep the transaction acknowledgement slip for any further communication with SBI. With this, you are done with filling SBI PO 2020 application form. You can also like our Facebook, Twitter and Instagram pages. The links of these pages are given in the description below.